So this video is of a police officer who doesn't know how to swim saving a toddler drowning in a retention pond. I have to warn you, this video is graphic and you may want to get your tissue box out. The good news is this toddler survives.
Yes, I did. Come on, baby. Come on.